This can create frustration and confusion in relationships. By exploring these feelings, we aim to foster a deeper understanding of men's perspectives, encouraging open dialogue about expectations and experiences in modern dating. Let's get started on this thought-provoking journey together. The illusion of self-worth. Many women today grapple with the concept of self-worth, often believing they must validate their value through external sources. This mindset can significantly impact relationships, leading to unrealistic expectations of partners. For instance, some may demand constant reassurance or material gifts as proof of love. Such behaviors can create a cycle of dependency where self-esteem hinges on others' opinions, ultimately straining connections and fostering disillusionment in both partners. Understanding this dynamic is crucial. Societal influences on perception. Societal norms play a significant role in shaping women's views of their value. Media portrayals often emphasize unrealistic beauty standards, leading to diminished self-esteem among many women. Social media further amplifies these issues, creating a constant comparison culture that can distort self-worth. Additionally, peer pressure can influence how women perceive themselves, as they may feel compelled to conform to certain ideals or behaviors to gain acceptance. Understanding these influences is essential for fostering healthier self-perceptions. Men's reactions to self-value claims. When women overestimate their value, men often have mixed reactions. Common responses include skepticism or frustration, as they may perceive a disconnect between self-perception and reality. This inflated self-worth can lead to unrealistic expectations in dating, causing men to feel pressured or undervalued. Such dynamics can create tension in relationships, as men seek authenticity and genuine connection. Understanding these reactions is crucial for navigating the complexities of modern dating and fostering healthier interactions. The consequences of misaligned values. Mismatched perceptions of value can lead to significant relationship breakdowns. When one partner feels undervalued or the other overestimates their worth, it creates emotional distance and resentment. This disconnect often results in frustration and disappointment for both men and women. For example, couples may experience frequent arguments or even separation due to these issues, as seen in relationships where one partner demands constant validation while the other feels unappreciated. Understanding these consequences is vital for healthier connections. Moving towards healthy relationships. To foster mutual respect and understanding, open communication about self-worth and expectations is essential. Partners should feel comfortable discussing their feelings and needs without fear of judgment. Building genuine connections based on mutual value involves actively listening and appreciating each other's perspectives. Additionally, cultivating self-awareness is crucial. Individuals should reflect on their own perceptions and behaviors to enhance relationship dynamics. By prioritizing these practices, couples can create a more supportive and fulfilling partnership. Conclusion. In summary, we explored how perceptions of self-worth impact relationship dynamics, highlighting the disconnect between self-perception and reality. Understanding different perspectives is crucial for fostering healthier connections. By encouraging open communication and self-awareness, we can navigate these challenges more effectively. If you found these insights valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video to support our community. Your engagement helps us create more content that addresses the complexities of relationships and self-worth. Thank you for watching.